lost for words, really. But putting myself, my brother putting himself aside, I say thank you. We say thank you on behalf of Onyeka Onwenu. And everything you guys have said individually, I see parts of my remember parts of it. And I do know of just about most people in this room because of the conversations that she's had and many good things to say. And it's really a pleasure and it warms our heart to hear the wise words, the kind words that come from the team like Sunday. And not so good with the rest of the news, but it's okay. And it's my wish.
Okay, can you
I'm sorry if I didn't say that right, but I do know that I recognize faces and we recognize a lot of faces. And it's been unexpected. Like Uncle T-Mac said, really, it's the dream. And she died doing exactly what she loved and in the way that she wanted to. And I don't think that it's up to us to question that. I thank you for highlighting the impact that she had across many industries, because she did do many things and do them very well. I know that she doesn't want it to be sad for a long period of time, but rather we would celebrate her continuously. And that's exactly what we want to do. We appreciate your presence here and your commitment to really be with us in terms of celebrating her life. It's the most important thing for us to do right now. Knowing that she didn't want to have this deep drive going, my brother and I have decided to celebrate her life and lay her to rest within the month. We've made some plans and are finalizing plans, and we'll be sharing them shortly. I would also let you guys know it would be a great pleasure to have you there to celebrate her. And that's about it. I really appreciate you guys coming. And I thank you so much on behalf of her. She would appreciate it. Thank you.
What I'm going to say is not that much different from what my brother has already said. But I think it's also important for me to express my gratitude and my thanks. I'm very well aware of all of you, and I'm sure she's talked about both of us in the lives. The outpouring of love and support that we're getting is difficult to comprehend, but we are beyond grateful for that support. It just shows us the depth of impact that she had, not just in your lives, but in the lives of everyone that she met and that she touched. So for that, and for coming here, and for being with us at this time, we express our gratitude. Thank you.